The Roath Fitness Trail is a fun place to exercise and get fit. The Roath Fitness Trail is for people aged 10 to 70.
A lot of people in Cardiff go there to exercise. Also, there is no cost for it.
Before you start this fitness trail, you need to follow these warnings.
If you have any prior health conditions, check with a doctor first and don't forget your asthma pump.
If you are under 10, then please ask an adult to help you. If you want to go to the next station,
Pause this video. This is the zebra. Firstly, you hold on one of the bar. Secondly, you raise your feet up to your shoulders.
if you are a beginner, do this 2 times. If you are advanced, do this 3 times.
If you want it to be harder, then go to the smallest bar and push yourself up to the higher bar. If you want to go to the next station,
Pause this video. This is the place where you do push-ups. Firstly, you place your hands on the bar.
secondly, you put your feet to the ground and the rest of the body must not be on the floor.
Finally, you go up and down.
If you are a beginner, do this 2 times. If you are advanced, then do this 3 times.
If you want to make it harder, then do the same thing on the lower bar. Want to go to the next station?
Pause this video. This is the place where you do sit-ups. Firstly, you lie down.
Secondly, you bend your legs.
Thirdly, you lift your head and back up without getting your feet up. If you are a beginner, then do it 2 times.
If you are advanced, then do 3 times.
If you want to make it easier, then get a friend
To help you,
If you want to go to the next station,
pause the video.
this is the monkey bars.
Firstly, you hold on to one of the bars.
Secondly, you go to the next bar and so on.
If you are a beginner, do this 1 time.
If you are an advanced, then do it 3 times.
To make this easier, then just throw a ball and catch up to each bar. If you want to go to the next station,
Pause the video. This is the balancing beam.
firstly you get on the balancing beam.
Secondly, you balance to the end.
If you are a beginner, do this 2 times.
If you are an advanced, you can do it 3 times.
If you want to make it easier, then get a friend to hold your hand.
If you want to go to the next station,
Pause the video. This is the pole.
firstly, you lean forward in the pole without touching it.
Secondly, you go backwards.
If you are a beginner, then do this 4 times.
If you are advanced, then do this 6 times.
To make this harder, you should put your leg as high as you can on the pole.
Want to go to the next station?
Pause the video. This is a place where you can do arm walks.
Firstly, you place your hands on the bars.
Secondly, you lift your body up.
Thirdly, you walk without your feet touching the ground.
If you are a beginner, do it 1 time.
If you want to make it harder, then do flips.
You want to go to the next station?
Pause the video.
This is where you do chin-ups.
Firstly, you hold on to the bars.
Secondly, you lift your body up until your chin is up.
If you are a beginner, then you do this 1 time.
If you are an advanced, then do it 3 times.
To make this easier, get a friend to help you. If you want to go to the next station,
Pause the video. This is where you do leg raises. Firstly, you put your hands on the bar. Secondly, you raise your legs up.
if you are a beginner, do it 4 times. To make this harder, you go to the higher bar.
To warm down, you need to stretch your arms.
Then you can stretch your arms to your feet or toes.